Alright, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ezekiel Akingbola speaking. In today's video, I want to talk about annual return filing. So you've gone to CAC search portal and you checked and you noticed that your business is currently inactive. So the question is, what do you do? You've seen that your business is inactive. What do you do? The first step you need to do is to file annual return. So annual return is an amount of money that you pay to CAC to make them to be aware that your business is still in function. It is also important that you pay annual return as at when you are supposed to pay. If not, there's always a penalty that's always attached if you miss any payment over the years. So if, for instance, your business was registered in 2019 and you've not filed any annual return, so that means that you need to file annual return for 2020, 2021, 2022 as well, depending on the kind of business you're running. So once you get the funds gathered up for the annual return filing, all you need to do is reach out to an accredited agent. You can reach out to me anyway. So the accredited agent will ask you for some documents and some details they are going to supply. Once you supply those details, the next thing is to carry out the annual return for the old years. So don't forget the instance we are using. You are going to be filing for 2020, 2021, and 2022 if you were registered in 2019. Once you've made payment to the accredited agent will go ahead and file the annual return. And don't forget, after 2 or 3 days, maximum 5 working days, the accredited agent will send you what is called the acknowledgement letter for each of the years that will file. So if you have filed for 3 years, you will get 3 acknowledgement letters from CAC telling you that the annual return has actually been filed and they have received it. So after the next few days, after the acknowledgement has been sent to you, the accredited agent will go ahead and process the activation of the business from the current inactive state to become active. I have done this for several businesses, over 10, 20, 30 businesses that have filed annual return for and gotten their business active. So if you are currently in this state and you really need an accredited agent you can trust, you can reach out to me today and I'll help you get your business active. Now, that is just one of the things we do. We do other post-incorporation activities, like you want to change the address of your business, you want to change your MIMAT, you want to remove a director or a shareholder and do different activities. You can reach out to me and I'll help you get it sorted. So if you have any other further question, you can reach out to me. My name is Ezekiel Akingbola and I'll see you in subsequent videos. Thank you. Subscribe to this channel.